Okay, hello guys. You're welcome to today's edition of my YouTube tutorials. Today we are to look at how to install Adobe Premiere 2019, Adobe Premiere CC 2019. So that's the Premiere Pro. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to locate where the setup is. So my setup, I will go here. Then look for where my Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019 setup is. So that's video editors. I'll come here, I'll find the folder Adobe. Then there's the 2019 CC. Okay, double click on it to open. So the password is 123 123. Then after it has been opened through WinRAR, then I'll double click here, still double click on the folder, then I'll go straight to setup, then install it. So when it's done, but note, you see that there's a warning here. Whenever you are trying to install Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019, make sure you turn off your internet. My internet is active because I'm doing something online. Then you also goes here and close the Windows Defender. Okay, good. You click here, just single click, then you see manage settings, then you click on it. You close red tab protection, then you close cloud delivering protection, you close automatic sample submission. Then after you close, you can minimize it. When you are done, you can just, when you are done with the installation, you can turn them on again. So that's how to close Windows Defender, as it will not allow the software itself to activate. So after running the setup, everything is done, then you are good to go.